to the last four major awards for the night. And at this point, we are all ready for the best acting performances in two of our top blockbuster hits in 2024.
It is such a coincidence that we have two certified kings in the industry that are tied for the Film Actor of the Year category in a movie called The Kingdom. Guillermo Foundation hereby awards the Film Actor of the Year to Piolo Pascual and Vic Soto.
Good evening, everyone, and thank you, Guillermo, for this award. This really never gets old, and I'm just really thrilled because I'm standing beside one of our icons in the industry, Bossing. Maraming salamat po. Pangarap pa rin to hanggang ngayon. Hindi po rin ako makapaniwala na I get to share this stage with you. And of course, a movie that we did last year. Maraming salamat po sa aming producers, of course, from APT, MZ, and MQuest na naniwala po sa istorya, our visionary director, Direk Mike Tuviera, lahat po ng teams namin, ng mga produksyon na bumuo po ng The Kingdom at naniwala sa proyektong ito. Sa inyo po, kasi kung wala po tayong audience na nanonood, wala po tayong pelikula. So sana po, let's keep the fire burning and sana dire-diretso lang po yung suporta natin sa mga pelikulang Pilipino, mga palabas at maging proud po tayo sa ating produkto. Maraming salamat, Guillermo. To God be the glory.
Thank you. Thank you, God. Dick, sorry serious actor na ako ngayon. Next time. Thank you, Guillermo Foundation. Thank you for this recognition. And of course, thank you sa aming director, sa Direk Mike. And of course, my co-actors, especially this good guy beside me. And I would like to dedicate this award or recognition to my children. They serve as my inspiration in life, in everything that I do. And special mention kay Tali. Kasi dito sa pelikulang ito, dito lang niya nalaman na actor pala ang tatay niya. She was so excited to watch me in the cinema. Hey, Dad, I will see you in the cinema on the big screen. Oh, you're an actor, huh? Ali, thank you. And to my wife, Pauline, siya yung nagbigay sa akin ng lakas ng loob na tanggapin yung proyekto. Although I must admit that I was somewhat reluctant to do the film, pero with my wife beside me, siya yung nagsabi sa akin na kaya mo yan, iwan mo na kay Dick yung comedy. So thank you, babe. Maraming salamat. Alam nyo, the movie got a lot of good reviews. Would like to thank everyone for that. Ang daming papuri, pero ito na yata ang pinakamagandang papuri na natanggap namin. On behalf of BJ, thank you very much, Guillermo Foundation. Thank you, God.
Congratulations, Piolo and Bossing. Vic, we now move on to another excellent performance in a movie that depicted a very timely social and political concern. The movie
Dave, ako.